Hello, this is Matt Hildebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to go over how to eliminate the odors in your dishwasher. So sometimes we get odors in our dishwasher because we're using either too much detergent or because the filter inside our dishwasher is dirty. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check, number one, to see if your dishwasher has a filter, and a lot of the newer dishwashers do. But what you're going to want to do then is you're going to want to clean around the filter, make sure this is clean. If you have an inner portion on the filter like this, make sure there isn't any food or any sediment in there. And then go ahead and replace that filter. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use these Affresh tablets. Okay, so we've got these at all of our locations, or you can go on to donsappliances.com to order those. And what you get is you get 6 tablets per package. So you'll get 6 usages out of this. And you're going to want to put this little puck inside the soap cup. Okay, close it, run it on the highest setting with nothing inside the dishwasher. That'll help to eliminate the odors. It'll also help to get rid of any sediment inside the lines, and you'll see better performance. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com or visit us at any of our showrooms.